Today's a good day. Let's get into the dungeon, shall we? What we got here? Ooh, is it somebody's birthday today? Hey, I have a good wife. Let's have a sneak peek. Oh, what do we got in here? Excellent. Well guys, welcome to another edition of Durban Dungeon Garage. Today I've got a lovely little surprise for you. I know it's been a long time, so those of you that have stuck around, thanks very much. Today's video is all about this beauty, my Honda 2014 ST1300. It's my birthday today, so I got a nice present from a very good and loving wife and kids. So let's get on with the video and I'll show you what that birthday present is. Cheers guys, like and subscribe, don't forget. Right, let's go see how this baby sounds.